guys, Jemima Joy here. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. If you're watching this, then this is my first ever YouTube tutorial. Please be kind. I'm going to show you how to do this look. I'm going to be talking you through every step of the process. It is easy. If there's anything you'd like to request, message me, comment. Right, first things first, ladies, let's get on the skincare. I like to soften up my lips first, so I'm going to use a bit of lip balm. And then drops of Youth Anti-Aging Serum. I'm literally obsessed with this. It is my Botox in a bottle. Next is my drops of Light Eye Cream. This basically gets rid of all of my dark circle, though it's a must. For face cream, I'm using the CBD from the Body Shop. Again, it's because it's for stressed skin. I am really suffering from wearing masks at the moment, and this is the only thing that's helped clear it up. Oh, top tip, these scissor massage techniques help reduce your fine creases and lines. Next, let's prime. I'm using the Body Shop's Skin Reviver Smoother. It actually acts as a primer. The texture's really pearly, and it's just got this really refreshing citrusy smell to it. Then I'm going to conceal my eyes. I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I watched Molly May use this recently, so I thought I would purchase it and see what I thought. It's lovely and creamy. I do find that I have to pat out my creases just to avoid it sitting in them. But overall, I actually really like this concealer. I'm now using the Brow Sport. I love this stuff. It's like a felt tip eyebrow pen. It is a lush. It's just really easy to go on, and when the felt tip fades, it enables me just to do the side tick, if that makes sense. Now we have done the brows. Ooh la la. Let's get a blending eyeshadow brush and the Own Your Naturals eyeshadow palette. We're going to go for the warm matte brown colour. Pat the eyeshadow into the eye socket and move your brush around. See what I'm doing here? Just sort of patting it and moving my brush around, and then every now and again I might do a little window wiper. Now the dark brown's done, we're going to come in with a lighter shade of the matte brown, and we're just going to use the same technique. We can pat, we can go in circles, and we can do the window wipers. Well, hello there, little round brush. As you can see, I have got the autumny sort of tone of orange, and I blended it underneath my eyes. And with an angled blending brush like this one, I'm just going to get the nude matte and pat it all over my eyelid. I was going to say eyeball then, but yeah, just pat it and blend it with your eyelid, and then I'm going to get that medium brown again and just blend the two in my creases together, as well as blending a little bit of my orange up and round to those sides. I genuinely don't know what I would do without blending brushes now, and I can't understand how we ever lived without them. Gonna grab myself a flat concealer brush, and out comes my beloved concealer from Cover FX. I'm just going to grab a little bit and pop it on the lining of my eyebrows. I just want to shape them a little bit just to make them look a little bit tidier. Don't mind if I do. To be fair, I'm using this brush, but you can use any blending brush. I'm just using the nude eyeshadow to blend around the edges just to tidy up, so I can move on to the eyeliner. And I've only gone and got the Velvet Gel eyeliner from the Body Shop in brown. Hello! I think brown eyeliner is my new obsession. It's bold but still soft enough. I just feel like being ginger and pale, black eyeliner sometimes is just a little bit too harsh, if you know what I mean. But then I come in with the dark brown eyeshadow and an angled brush, as you can see here, and I just soften the edges together, and I don't know, it floats my boat anyway, but it's worth trying if you wanted a softer eyeliner look. Now let's get some mascara on these babies. This actually is a mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, which is a sample that I got when I bought her foundation. I actually really like it. It's not very, well, it's a nice mascara. but I wouldn't say it's extremely volumizing, but the quality of how it covers my lashes is really nice. I like it. Alright guys, clear the walkway. Fresh Nude foundation coming through. Basically, this is currently my top favourite foundation. I have tried, like I said, the Charlotte Tilbury. I've used Estee Lauder, I've used Dior, I've used every single brand, well, not every single brand, but I've used a lot of brands, and nothing comes close to this. I just find that so many foundations stick around my nose. However, this one is just so hydrating. It's got aloe vera in it, so whatever I'm doing, it's hydrating my skin. It doesn't stick or clump around my nose. It lasts very well. I wouldn't say it lasts all day and all night, because I'm prone to touching my face all the time. However, if I didn't, I think it would last. I know you can't get it in the supermarket or any of the drugstores. However, you can contact your local body shop consultants, or you can let me know if you want to order one. I'm a body shop at home consultant, so I do it every day. So I'm here if you want colour matching, or if you've got oily skin and you're not sure what to use, I've got a suggestion for that too. The aloe vera in this one, I can't go wrong with. I love it. I'm biased. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's move on to contour. Right, I'm using the Fresh Nude Serum Concealer in the darkest shade, which is 05, I believe. And I'm literally just putting little Dalmatian dots all over my face because it's a fun thing to do. Nah, who am I kidding? I'm just going to use the buffing brush now. I have specifically put the dots around my forehead because I've got a massive forehead, and it makes my forehead appear smaller. I don't know, but it works and it makes me happy. And I've done it at the lowest part of my cheekbone, not so much underneath, but more just on the lowest part of your cheekbone, basically where the shadows of light would fall if you put a light above your head. If you was to do a fish face and look at the mirror, you would be able to see where those shadows would fall, and that's basically where you want to follow. Anywho, moving on. There is only 2 products I ever use that is powder apart from eyeshadow, and that is bronzer and blusher. So with the bronzer, I'm literally just bringing it from the furthest by my ear, basically. I'm flicking it out, and then I'm just doing circular motions to blend it into my forehead. And then I'm just going to get my little beauty blender, I'm going to get my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend in any leftover foundation. And then we'll move on to the next step, where you got it, the concealer's back. I'm literally just popping a little bit of concealer down my nose just to make it look a little bit more slimline. God bless me with the most wonkiest nose you can imagine. I have thought about surgery, but you know what? I'm all about being natural and embracing who you are, so I'm going to keep it. Anyway, I'm just going to tidy up a few areas and then move on to eyelashes. So these eyelashes, I've lost the box, I do apologise. I've worn them quite a few times, but they are by Allure and they are reusable, and they're called the palm tree lashes. I actually bought mine in Asda and they are pretty popular, so head to your local supermarket, look for the eyelash boxes, and I'm pretty sure you will see the palm tree ones. I used to be rubbish with putting my eyelashes on. Oh, there we go, and she's back. Oopsie. Oh my, we are so close to the end now. Right, oh, there's a hair. Right, this is my favourite highlighter for every day. It is the Drops of Glow by, you named it, The Body Shop. It gives me a really nice natural sort of shimmer. It's hydrating, it doesn't look powdery on the skin. I pop a little dab on the inside of my eyes just to make them pop, and I'll just pat the highlighter in on the top of my cheekbones with my fingers, simply because it gives you a much better finish without any brush marks. Oh my god, I can't forget blusher. I'm using shade 01 by The Body Shop. I actually use this for eyeshadows too. However, I'd literally just pop it on the top of my cheekbones, blend in around the edges, and move on. it's time I got my lips together. So I'm using the lip liner in Windsor Rose by the Body Shop. So much Body Shop, I know, but it's really good. And then I'm using the Superstay 24-Hour Colour lipstick by Maybelline, would you have it, in the colour 615, which is, I believe, Soft Toupee. Anyway, I've used this lipstick for years
and I love it.
We're just going to get some finishing touches in, which would include white eyeliner on the waterline. Can you see how it just opens up your eyes? Like, just look. A little bit more blush. Don't forget to put the other end of the gloss on. And then I want to sort my hair out. Oh, hello. Bit of face mist to set my face. This is the mint one from Body Shop. So it mattifies my face and it hydrates it and it sets my makeup. Like that. Magical. I really enjoyed making this video, so I hope you've liked watching it. Is that what you say? Watching. OMG. Oh. You can do this. Hello?
Hey, you alright?
Mm-hmm.
How you doing?
Good, I'm doing a video as we speak. Just do you make? I hope you enjoyed watching it.
You look like you had loads of paintings this morning.
Yeah, I actually felt like I slept properly last night. I don't normally like to wear eyelashes. I don't like to feel the makeup on my face. I hate cakey pores. I do not like cakey. Hate cakey. Because I try to avoid being cakey. I hate cakey. My skin is combination. I get dry bits around my nose, so I tend to avoid powders because they just stick everywhere and they just look ugh. So most of the products that I use are liquid based because that way they are hydrating my skin as I'm wearing them. I hope you like this video. Any feedback and comments, please pop them below. If there's anything you'd like to request, message me, comment. I am more than happy to take any requests. It's been a pleasure. I will see you all soon. I hope you've enjoyed watching it.